Hey, what's up everyone, Jason here. So we're going to be doing a quick technical analysis and a price prediction of Ethereum Classic, ETC Army, where are you at? So in this video, I'm going to be giving a bullish price prediction. Keep that in mind that I am very bullish and optimistic on cryptocurrencies. So if you do like content like that, please do consider subscribing, smash, destroy, annihilate that like button because, well, that helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and helps spread this content to more people that might find it interesting as well. So what we currently got going on with Ethereum Classic is we have this current pattern going on right now. We are seeing this consolidation that is taking us down. Now I've changed things around a bit from where the previous videos were, especially as I'm now showing a lot of the bull market support band, and Ethereum Classic still is within the bull market support band right now. So definitely something to be paying attention to. After we did pass this bull market support band, you can see how much these price movements did change. They're pretty extreme. We were seeing a lot going on with the Ethereum Classic at that time. Now at this moment, we are lining up to be right within this more of a bearish price. I had this bullish price that was set up, and that was if we were able to break through this top Fibonacci level. I still think that that's a possibility, but we're not going to be seeing that right now, at least at this moment. But what I want to say here is that as we're looking at these different Fibonacci levels, now one, we have this price here that's that price at around $12.50 or so. That's our 52-week low with Ethereum Classic. Now what we had seen is that just over a very short period of time, just like many other cryptocurrencies, leading into about mid-August, we had seen the price of Ethereum Classic going up around $45, $46 around there before we did see the price then have some pullback, and now what we're seeing is we're still kind of close to that 50% Fibonacci level, but we're still at that risk of seeing the price fall down and start to retrace a lot of those gains that it did have. So painting back here a bit and looking at Ethereum Classic, and what I want to say here is, we've seen so much price movement within it. We've seen it go up within this first set of 5 waves going up that it had, that took it to its all-time highs back in May of 2021. And then after that, it quickly had a lot of selling off that within a matter of a month, we had seen Ethereum Classic fall down to levels that it is currently at right now. And that was in some interesting times in 2021. And then as it went on into another rally and we continue these waves, we had to continue to see the price decrease. And what I'm thinking with this 5th wave is I'm thinking that this is that corrected wave that's going on now. All this stuff that we're keeping track of with Ethereum Classic is, in my opinion, the correction that it's having. And I think that this is going to be that turnaround to the upside, even though many people might disagree with that. And I'm just saying that just because of how well it has been holding above the bull market support line. And also that even though it's looking like it's falling through, it's still within a pattern, which is what really interests me right now. And I think that seeing this falling wedge type pattern that it's in right now, this could be something that could be a possible bullish pattern, and this have that upside potential that would happen right after. So I think that this is all part of a bigger wave series that is going to be having a possible 5 waves to the upside, and that would be looking at things like this. If we were to correct somewhere around here within a wave 2, well, that wave 3 would go into retracing those previous losses that we had, and I think that this wave would connect somewhere towards the end of the year, of course. But I think that we might see something like that play out, and of course it would just keep going up and up from there. But I think that this is that possibility that we could be seeing with Ethereum Classic. And now it all depends if the price does fall lower than where this 5th wave is. If it doesn't, and we continue to see more upside momentum, then that kind of just helps that theory that we already hit that low with Ethereum Classic, and now it's starting to correct and move upwards from there. So here in the short term, the big thing we need to focus on with Ethereum Classic is if the price falls below $25, then that is going to send us much more into a bearish zone and even line us up better within this Fibonacci level that we want to be able to stay above. We want to trend as much within this 50% Fibonacci level and hopefully break through that here very, very soon, hopefully as we really get into the month of October, and that be that bullish momentum that could really kick things off within this next wave here and ascend the price of Ethereum Classic to retrace this Fibonacci level, to get it back to that price of around $45 and break through this level. That's a very key thing. So to stay above $25 and then to work its way up and potentially break through that $45. That's what I think it's going to be doing within this next wave that we're in. So I'm saying that we're going to be going into a wave 3, or if we were looking at this as a correction, we would say within the wave C is what we're doing right now. So that's what I think is going on. I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about that. Do you guys think that we have some upside here to come with Ethereum Classic? I would like to know. So that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I will see you in the next one.